Today I'm going to show you how to check and pay for an invoice. So the first thing that you want to do is to log into the Host Africa client area. One of two ways to have a look at your invoices is to either click on the invoice block over here, or alternatively, click on the link from the top menu and click on My Invoices. Both options will take you to the same screen. On My Invoices screen, you'll be able to see a list of all your invoices. It'll be indicated whether it's paid or not. In this case, I've got one invoice that hasn't been paid yet. In order to view more details and to see what the invoice is for, click anywhere on it. It'll open the invoice for you, and if it's not paid, you will see this payment options indicated on the invoice that you can click on in order to pay. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like and subscribe icons for more. Stay tuned for our next tutorial. Until then, happy hosting!